Hello, everyone. Am I audible? Just mention in the chat if I'm audible. Am I audible now? Now I think, now am I audible? Right. So these three people have invested the amounts in the ratio of 5 is to 7 is to 6. And next year, they are increasing the investments by this percentage, 26%, 20%, and 15% respectively. Okay. In what ratio profit earned during the second year be distributed? This is the question. Here, second year's profit, you will have to divide it as per their investment. So let us take the ratio of these three people, A is to B is to C. Their first year investment is 5 is to 7 is to 6. This is their first year investment. Okay. Second year, they're increasing their investments by these percentage. If you have already watched our percentages video, you will know how to calculate increased or decreased percentage using percentage factor. So there is a 26% increase, means multiply this by 1.26. Here, second person has increased their investment by 20%, multiply with 1.20, and third person has increased their investment by 15%. So multiply with 1.15. So whenever there is a percentage increase, this I think we have discussed in yesterday's class as well. Whenever there is a percentage increase, convert the percentage to decimal and add it to 1 if there is a percentage increase. If there is a percentage decrease, convert the percentage to decimal and subtract from 1. So if there is a 10% increase in any of the value, convert this percentage to decimal, which is 0.1. Add it to 1 because there is an increase. We have to add it to 1, which gives you 1.1. Suppose there is a 20% decrease, then 20% convert to decimal, which is 0.2. And since there is a decrease, subtract this from 1, which gives you 0.8. So this is percentage factor. I have explained about this in detail with a lot of examples in percentages video. If you have not watched it, you can go to the channel and watch playlists of PGCET 2024 and you can watch the same. Okay. So here, each person has increased their investment by this percentages. So I have converted these percentages to decimal and added to 1. This person has added 26% of investment. This person has increased the investment by 20%. And this person has increased the investment by 15%. Now we need to remove the decimal point. From ratios, to remove the decimal point, you have to make sure all the numbers having decimal point has same number of digits after decimal point. If there is any number which does not have same number of digits as per other numbers, add zeros in the end so that all the numbers have same number of digits after decimal point. Here, each of these numbers have 2 digits after decimal point. So we can remove the decimal point. So it is 5 into 126 is to 7 into 120 is to 6 into 115. Now first I'll cancel, now let us cancel all the common factors. First we'll cancel by 5. 5 cancels here, 500, 5 twos are 10. This is 24. 5 24s are 120. 2s are 10 and 23s are 115. Next we can cancel by 6. 6 gets cancelled here. 6 fours are 24. 6 twos are 12 and 1s are. So I'm left with 21 here. This is 7 into 4, 28. And here we have 23. So option A is the answer. For each of the number, we multiply with percentage factor, then cancel all the common factors to get the ratio in which profit is shared. So this is partnership based question where profit sharing ratio is determined by the amounts that they have invested and the time they have invested in the business. So this is for the second year's profit. Hope all of you have understood. Just reply S in the chat if you have understood this solution. Now we will solve our next problem, which is from ages, problems on ages. This is also asked in 2022. Yes, Nagamani has replied yes. Okay. Now, difference between present ages of Trisha and Shalini is 14 years. 7 years ago, ratio of their ages was 5:7 respectively. What is Trisha's present age? This is a question. Now here, whenever we have present age, previous age, future age kind of question given, we will write down them in the form of a table. Okay. So here what I'll write is Trisha and Shalini. Okay. They have given present age, then 7 years ago means past age is given. So I'll write down past and then present. If they have given future comparison, you can write that below this. The order in which you write is important. First write past, then present, then future. Here future is not there, so I'll remove this. Past and present comparison is given. Difference between present ages of Trisha and Shalini is 14. We will take this later. Wherever ratio is given, first write down that. 7 years ago, ratio of their ages was 5:7, which is past age. No, 7 years ago means it is the past age. Now, past, their ages was 5:7. This was the ratio between Trisha and Shalini's age, past age. Now, present ages, So if it is 5 is to 7, actual age is 5x is to 7x. This again, if you have watched a ratio video, you will know. Whenever, suppose A is to B is given as 4 is to 5, if you have to write down individual values, what is A and B? You will write it with a common factor. A is 4 into some number and B is 5 into the same number. A is to B is 4 is to 5, A is 4 into X, B is 5 into X. That's how you have to take. Okay, so here, in the past, ratio of their ages is 5 is to 7. So I have written 5x and 7x. Now, both of their ages would have been increased by 7 years, right? Because past to present difference is 7 years. Now, both of their ages is increased by 7 years. So, Trisha's present age is 5x plus 7. Shalini's present age is 7x plus 7. Whatever was their ages before, now 7 years has increased. Difference between present ages of these two people is 14 years. Who is older? 7x is more than 5x. So Shalini is older. So 7x plus 7 is Shalini's age. From this, if I subtract Trisha's age, I will get 14 years. Okay. So what you have to understand is, if the difference between these two people's age is 7 years, then every time there is the difference is 7 years only, not just now. Earlier also difference between their ages is 7 years only. So difference between these two is 7. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 7x minus 5x is 2x, which is equal to 14. So x is 7. What is that we need to find? Trisha's present age we want. So Trisha's present age is 5x plus 7. Okay. So Trisha's present age is 5x plus 7. X is 7. So 5 into 7 is 35. Plus 7 is 42 years. Have we done any mistake? Trisha and Shalini, 7 years ago, their ratio is 5 is to 7. I think they have asked, they're supposed to ask Shalini's age. If it's Shalini's age, it will be, another 7 years difference, 14 years difference. No? So you will not get 49. Present ages of Trisha is 5x plus 7 and Shalini's age is 7x plus 7. Difference is 14. So x is 2x is 14, x is 7. Present age of Trisha. Trisha's present age is 5x plus 7. 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus 7 is 42. If it is Shalini's age, it is even then 7x plus 7. So 7 into 7 is 49 plus 7 is 56. Okay. Trisha's age is 42 and Shalini's age is 56. Options given here are not correct. It has to be Shalini's age 56. Trisha's age is 42, which is not there in the option here. So we will assume one of the person's age is 42, other one is 56. Here, what is available is 56. So maybe the ratio is, instead of 7 is to 5, they have given 5 is to 7. Since we do not have other option, we will take 56 as the answer. Okay. Now let us solve the next question. I've taken these questions from previous year's question papers only. So these are not sample questions. These are the actual questions from previous years. Any of the concept, any of the step, if you have not understood, you can ask in the chat. Next question. Sum of ages of son and a father is 56 years. After 4 years, age of the father will be 3 times that of the son. Again here, same concept as the previous problem. But as I told you, wherever comparison or ratio is given, I will write down that first. Okay. So here son and father. Okay. So I'll write son and father. Okay. And sum of the ages is this after 4 years. So this is future. So I'll write present and future. These are the comparisons available. They have not given past age. Age of the father will be 3 times that of the son. So in the future, after 4 years, age of the father is 3 times that of the son. So always write down whoever has less age, but then you write X. Now father's age is 3 times the son's age. Did everybody understand this comparison? Father's age is 3 times the son age in the future. So after 4 years, that is in the future, age of the father will be 3 times that of the son. So if son's age is X, father's age is 3 times son's age. This is in the future. So present age of these two people is 4 years less, right? Because in future, that is the age now, which is after 4 years. So now their ages are 4 less than the future's age. So son's age is X minus 4. Father's age is 3x minus 4. Whatever is the future age, which is after 4 years, now both of the ages 4 less. And sum of the ages is 56. Means this and this, if I add, we will get 56. Now simplify this. X plus 3x is 4x. Minus 4 and minus 4 is minus 8, which is 56. 4x is 56 plus 8, which is 64. So X is 16. Now, what are we supposed to find? Present age of the son. Present age of the son is X minus 4. So, son's present age is X minus 4, which is 16 minus 4, 12 years. So, you can solve the question in various ways. You need not always start from the future or the past. You can take from the present also. But my suggestion is whenever comparison is there, a ratio comparison or like this 2 times, 3 times comparison is there, first write down that. That will make your simplification easier. Okay. Then in comparison with that, write the present age or the past age, whatever is necessary. Then some information will be given about that, use it. So in the same way we have done previously also. 7 years ago ratio was given, which is past ratio that we wrote. Now present and past difference is 7 years. So we added 7 years to get the present age. Then they had given difference between the ages was something, we took that. Similarly here, future age comparison is given. So future age, we will take it as X and 3X. Present age is 4 years less for both of them. These are the present ages. Sum of the present ages is 56. Using this, we will find out the variable X value. And then once you find X value, now you can find whether you want son's age or father's age, you can find out. Okay. Suppose you don't want to solve it like this. If you want to frame equations and solve, you can also solve it alternatively by framing equation. What is that? Sum of ages of son and father is 56 years. So S plus F is 56. Okay. Son's age is S, father's age is F. Together it is 56. After 4 years, okay. After 4 years, age of son is S plus 4. Age of father is F plus 4. Whatever is the present age, after 4 years, both of them will have 4 years more, right? Their age would have increased by 4. In this future, father's age is 3 times son's age. Now simplify this. By simplifying this, you will get another equation for S and F. It is 3S plus 12 equals to F plus 4. Now take this to the left hand side. You get 3S minus F equals to 4 minus 12 is minus 8. Now this is one equation. This is another equation. Use simultaneous equations concept. Just add these two. This is your equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Add this two. S plus 3S is 4S. Minus F plus F gets cancelled. 56 and minus 8 gives you 648. And S is 48 by 4, 12. Okay. 48 by 4, 12 you will get. So depending on which is more convenient to you, you can take that. Alternative way of solving this question is by using the options. Use the options and simplify. But for this kind of question, I strongly recommend solving it this way. But if you are not comfortable framing such equations and solving, then you can solve using the options also. So how to solve using options, we will see. Present age of the sun is given as 10 years. Present age of sun is given as 10 years. Okay, this is present age. So what is future age? Future age of sun is 40 because it is after 4 years, right? If sun's present age is 10, after 4 years, his age will be 40. They have given after 4 years, father's age will be 3 times the son's age. So if son's age is 14 after 4 years, father's age will be 3 times of this, which is 42. Okay, 30 and 12, which is 42. If future's age of the father is 42, what will be the present age? 4 years less, which is 38. Now find out what is the total. 10 plus 38 is 48. We are not getting 56. So this is not the required answer. Understood? We are assuming the given answer to be true. From this, I am calculating what is future age, which is after 4 years. From future age of the son, I am calculating what is father's future age, which is father's age is 3 times the son's age. From this, I am calculating father's present age by doing -4. This is +4 here into 3. And then adding these two to check whether it is 56. It is not. Therefore, it is not our answer. Now take option B. Son's present age according to the option is 12. So son's future age is going to be 16 because we have to add 4. Then father's age is going to be 3 times this, which is 48. According to this, father's present age will be 4 less, which is 44. And the total is 44 plus 12 is 56. According to the answer, we have got all the data is correct according to the given answer. So this is how you solve from the option. Many times for easy questions, I suggest you to solve it using this concept. Okay, wherever comparison is given, that you write down. In comparison to that, you write the past or the future age. Then use the given information to get the answer. Did you all understand all 3 types of solution that we have discussed here? Yes or no? Is everyone comfortable with English? Does anybody wants me to explain in Kannada? I mean, it'll be a mix of Kannada and English if at all you want. In 2005, Dashrath's age was 11 times as that of his son. In 2020, his age becomes 14 times as that of his son's age in 2005. By how many years was Dashrath elder to his son in 2005? So 2005 is the past and 2020 is the present. Okay. So we have age of son and father. First, we will write past. In past, Dashrath's age was 11 times that of his son's age. So if son's age is X, Dashrath's age was 11 times X. Okay. Next, you write the present, which is 2020. His age becomes 14 times that of his son's age in 2005. So, what is the difference between past and present? How many years? Between this past and present, what is the difference? How many years is the difference? How many years difference do we have? Anybody? Yes, anyone who's attending the session? Past to present age, years that they have given. What is the difference between past to present? How many years difference have they considered here? Answer quickly. I'd like to have more interaction. Yes, what is past and present difference? We're talking about 2005 and 2020. How many years difference is there? Yes, correct. Venkatesh, correct. There's a 15 years difference, right? In past, if age of son is X, present it is X plus 15, right? And father's age in the past was 11X. Now it is 11X plus 15. So this is what you have to first write. See what is the comparison given. Dashrath's age is 11 times son's age. First I wrote that. Son's age is X, father's age is 11X. Now after 15 years, for both of them, 15 years will increase. So I have added 15. Now there is a comparison given. In 2020, his age becomes 14 times that of his son's age in 2005. So they are comparing father's future age and son's age in 2005. So father's age, present father's age is equal to 14 times the age of son in 2005. Now we will compare this. 14x is there, 11x comes to the right hand side. 14 minus 11 is 3x. 3x is 15. So x is 5. Now what is that we need to find out? By how many years was Dashrath elder to his son in 2005? So son's age in the past, in 2005 is what they're asking, right? 2005 only, Dashrath and son's age difference in. So x is 5, 11x is 11 into 5, 55. So what is the difference between their ages? 50 years. Did everybody understand this? Okay, we will solve the next question. If you observe, all these were problems on ages, which they had given comparison. According to the comparison, we have written the values. Next question. Marks obtained by Suresh in English, Maths, and Science are in this ratio. If his total score is 860, his marks in English are. So again, I have explained this in the ratio video. You cannot have fractions, decimal numbers in ratios. First, we need to write it in the simplified form. So what is the ratio of English, Maths, and Science? It is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 3 by 5. We cannot have fractions. First, remove fractions. For this, take LCM of the denominators. So what is LCM of the denominators here? None of the numbers are divisible. So we just multiply all this. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. LCM is 30. Now, multiply each of the fractions with 30 and write. 1 by 2 into 30 gives you 15. 1 by 3 into 30 gives 10. 3 by 5 into 30, 5 6 are 30 and 6 3s are 18. This is the ratio. In this ratio, if you can cancel any common factor, you can cancel. If you're cancelling any common factor, all three numbers should have that common factor. Here, further cancellation is not possible. Now we are supposed to find out English marks. So how much is English marks? English number is 15 here. 15 upon total of all these three numbers. which is 15 plus 18 is 33 plus 10 is 43 into the total score is 860. When a ratio is given, if you want to find out individual value, write down the number of that particular variable in the ratio divided by total of the numbers in the ratio into the total value. Now 43 2 times is 86. So this is 20. 20 into 15 is 300. So his English marks is 300. Understood this? A very straightforward question. We will solve the next question. The next question is ratio between sale price and cost price of an article is 7:5. What is the ratio between profit and cost price of that article? Ratio between sale price and selling price and cost price of an article is 7.5. 7:5, sorry. What is the ratio between profit and cost price of that article? So first find out how much is going to be the profit. So selling price and cost price ratio is 7:5. Okay. So let me take selling price as 7x rupees and cost price as 5x rupees. Okay. Prices we have written, actual values we should multiply with some common factor and take. Selling price is to cost price is 7:5. So I have taken selling price as 7x rupees, cost price as 5x rupees. Therefore, what is the profit here? Profit is difference between the two, which is 2x rupees. Now they have asked us to find out the ratio between profit and cost price of that article. Okay, so profit is to cost price is profit is 2x. The options are wrong here. Selling price and cost price is 7:5. I think they have asked profit percentage. No. So profit is 2x. Difference is 2x. Now profit is to cost price. Profit is 2x and cost price is 5x. So the answer is 2:5. Options are wrong. Answer is 2:5. We have selling price and cost price. From that, you can find out what is the profit. And then compare profit and cost price. That's it. Now we'll solve the next question. I think this we have already done. This question has comparison of angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:7:11. Angles are. Is tell me what is the sum of angles of a triangle? I'm sure all of you know. Sum of angles of a triangle. What are the sum of angles of a triangle? Anybody? Sum of interior angles of a triangle. Yes, come on, anyone? What is sum of interior angles of a triangle? Yes, Venkatesh has responded. It is 180, correct? Sum of angles is 180. Right. Now angles are in this ratio, 2:7:11. We are supposed to find out the angles. First, you can solve it from the options. Again, check it has to be 180. Then it should be in this ratio. That is 2, 7, and 11. Every number, it should be multiple of 2, 7, and 11. It should be the same multiple. Now, if you check the first option, total is 180. Right, 20 plus 70 is 90, plus 90 is 180. Are they in the ratio? This is 2 into 10, this is 7 into 10. Then this should be 11 into 10, which is not, which is 90. Therefore, it is wrong. Now check the second option. So this is 2 into 9, whereas this is 7 into 10. That is not possible. Whatever you multiply for 2, same number should be multiplied for each of them. Okay. And this is 162. This is 180. Total is 180, but it is not as per the ratio. So this is not our answer. Now take the next one. 18, is it a multiple of 2? Yes. With 2, I can multiply 9, I will get 18. Then 63, can I write it as 7 into something? Yes. 7 into 9 is 63. And 99 can be written as 11 into 9. Okay. So I have the ratios 2, 7, and 11. And the number that is multiplied is same. Okay, with each of the number, I should multiply the same common factor. Therefore, this is the answer. Okay. Otherwise, if you have to solve it directly, how do you do? 3 angles are there, A, B, C, which is in the ratio 2:7:11. Now let us find out the angles one by one. What is A? A is 2 upon total. Total is 2 plus 7 is 9 plus 11 is 20. 2 upon 20 is A of 180 degrees. Okay, so this 0 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this is 18 degrees. First option for first angle is 18 degrees. So option A and D are wrong. One of B and C. Now find out angle B. B's number is 7. 7 upon total of the ratio, which is 20 into 180. 0 gets cancelled, 2 9s are 18, 7 into 9 is 63. Therefore, option C is the answer. This is how you find the values. Is this clear? So these are some of the questions that I have taken from the previous year's question papers. We still have some more questions. 2 more questions we have. Let me cover these questions as well. Every day we will have a live session at 8:30. We'll be covering previous year's questions, important topics, all that for PGCET, MBA as well as MCA. So make sure you attend live. And for computer awareness, which is a new section that is included in MBA syllabus, we are uploading the videos. Tomorrow we will be uploading the videos under members only section. So you can visit the channel homepage. You will have a join button. If you click on join button, you will get different membership levels. So you can, if you are an MBA student, MBA aspirant, check the first option, which is for MBA verbal aptitude, which will include computer awareness and verbal comprehension topics, which is a very, very small amount, which you will have a validity for 1 month. So you can go through that. You will be able to access verbal comprehension and computer awareness videos from that members only section. If you are still not in our WhatsApp group, in the video description, I have mentioned the WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Join in those group and channel to get the practice questions and daily class links. Okay, fine. So in a class of 60 students, number of boys and girls participating in the annual sports is in the ratio 3:2 respectively. Number of girls not participating is more than the number of boys not participating in the sports. If the number of boys participating in the sports is 15, how many girls are there in the class? Now, this particular question actually answers data inadequate. Let me explain why. See, totally we have 60 students, right? Total students are 60. Now, we have participating and non-participating students. Participating students and not participating students. Okay. Here, boys to girls ratio is 3:2. And then here they have given number of boys participating in the sports is 15. So this boys number is 15. 3 into 5 is 15. So 2 into 5 is 10. Okay. So totally how many students are participating? 15 plus 10, 25. Understood everybody? We have 60 students. This 60 students, we have participating students in sports, and there are some students who are not participating. Among participating students, boys and girls are in the ratio 3:2. And they have given exact number of boys for participating in the ratio in the sports. So based on this, I can find out how many people are not participating. So this is the girls who are not participating. I'm sorry, girls who are participating. So total number of students who are participating is 25. Now, how many students are not participating? 60 minus 25 is 35. Okay. 35 students are not participating in sports. Now, among this, we have again boys to girls ratio. Now, this is not given. They have just given that number of girls not participating in the sports is more than the number of boys not participating in the sports. So this B and G, let me take B1 and G1. This is boys and girls participating in sports. This is B2 and G2, which is boys and girls not taking part in the sports. Here they have given that number of girls are more compared to number of boys who are not participating. Means this 35, if I divide, then there can be 18 girls and 17 boys. It's a possibility. Okay. 18 plus 17 gives you 35. So at least 18 girls should be there. Only then number of girls will be more than boys. But can be 16, 19, can be 15, 20. We don't know, right? There is no other information given about non-participating people. What is the organization code for Class Plus app? It is TMERHY. If you are downloading, if you are using an iPhone, it asks for this organization code. If you are using an Android, then directly using that link you can install. In app, you can attend the live classes. We have a batch that is going on. We had the batch just now from 6:30 to 8. We had conducted the classes. So the live classes, if you want to attend and access all the class recordings that is done so far, you can install the app and you can access the classes. If you're not willing to join the batch now, because we have only 2 more weeks available, if you don't want to join the batch complete coaching now, then you will be able to access some of the videos, part of the videos in our membership only section. So you can visit that. And if you are interested in taking the app and watching the entire class recordings and also attending live classes on daily basis, then contact our WhatsApp number. Okay, we'll give you an additional discount in joining the courses. Fine. So here, among this participating students ratio, some information was given. So I could find out exact number of boys and girls. Among non-participating students, from this information, I found out that there are 35 non-participating students, and there is no definite information given about boys or girls. They have just given number of girls are more. That's all. So this is not a proper information to find out. Maybe there is only one boy who is not participating and 34 girls who is not participating. So since this information is not given, we cannot find out how many girls are there. Therefore, I mean, how many boys and girls are there in this 35 non-participating students? So We cannot find out how many girls are there in the total class. So this information we cannot determine. Okay, we cannot determine this information. Therefore, data is inadequate. Understood, everyone? Now, one more question we have. This is an interesting question. Here also, all the information required is not given. So you should know how to convert the data that you have into an equation and solve. Read the question carefully. What is the ratio in which water should be mixed with Coke concentrate costing rupees 15 per liter to make a profit of 30% by selling resultant drink at 18 per liter? Understand the question carefully. Coke concentrate is purchased at 15 per liter. Okay. With this, we have to mix some water. Water, we are assuming it is free. Water is free. We are mixing it. After mixing, quantity will increase, right? Because we are diluting it, quantity will increase. Resultant quantity, you are selling it at 18 per liter. And due to that cost, that selling price, overall, you are making a profit of 30%. Okay. This is the information. Now, what we have to find out is what is the ratio in which water and Coke concentrate is mixed. Now, fine. So let us understand in what ratio in which water should be mixed with Coke. Water is mixed with Coke. So we will find out W is to C ratio. Okay. Let us assume Coke concentrate is X liters. Okay. We have X liters of Coke concentrate. So what is going to be the cost of this? 15 into X. Okay, 15 per liter. So 15 into X is the total cost. 15 per liter is the cost. And I'm assuming we have X liters. So the total cost is 15 into X. This is the amount that we spend in purchasing X liters of Coke concentrate. Now I have to mix some water. Let me assume I will mix Y liters of water. Okay, I'm going to mix Y liters of water in this. And by mixing Y liters of water, I am going to sell it. So quantity will increase. No? Now, what will be the total quantity? Total quantity is X liters I had Coke concentrate. In this, I mixed Y liters of water. So X plus Y liters is the total concentrate now. And for this total concentrate, selling price, I mean for this total Coke, selling price is going to be 18 per liter. So how much I will receive? 18 into X plus Y is the amount that I will receive by selling this much of Coke. Now this is going to give me 30% of profit. Okay. So this selling price 18 into X plus Y gives 30% profit on the cost price. So 30% profit means again we are going to use percentage factor, which is 1.3 into 15x. Hope you have understood this. 1.3 into 15x. This was the cost. On this, I'm getting 30% profit. Okay. This is by selling X plus Y liters. X was the Coke concentrate that I have purchased. Y liters is the amount of water that I have mixed. Total quantity is X plus Y. This entire X plus Y, I am selling it at 18 per liter. And because of this, how much ever I spent, I'm going to get a 30% of profit. Simplify this to know what is the ratio of water to Coke is what I'm supposed to find. Water is Y liters, X is Coke is X liter. I am supposed to find Y is to X. Okay. How much is Y is to X? This is what we are supposed to find. Simplify this. You will get 18x plus 18y. 1.3 into 15 is how much? 15 threes are 45. And I will, okay, 15 threes are 45 and 15 ones are 15 plus 4 is 19, 19.5x. Okay, I'll bring x to one side. Here I have 18y. 19.5x minus 18x is 1.5x. I'm supposed to find y is to x. So here let y be there. This x I will bring it here. Here I have 1.5, this 18, I will take it to the others. Now we will divide this by, I'll divide this by 3. 3 0.5s are 1.5, 3 6 are 18. And I will now convert this decimal. Okay, I don't want to keep decimal. I'll convert it to whole numbers. 0.5 into 2 gives 1. So I'll multiply 2 in both the places. 0.5 into 2 is 1. 6 into 2 is 12. So y is to x is 1 is to 12. So answer is option D. All of you understood this? We had x liters of Coke concentrate. Every liter of Coke concentrate is 15 rupees. So total cost is 15x. And we are going to add y liters of water to it. So total quantity becomes x plus y liters. This mixture, I'm going to sell it at 18 liters, 18 rupees per liter. So amount that I'm going to receive is 18 into x plus y. And this is giving me 30% profit. So I'm finding what is 30% profit upon the cost price. Now simplifying this, we get y by x, 1 by 12. They've asked us to find out water to Coke ratio. Do it carefully because if you take it as Coke to water ratio, you will get 12 is to 1. And 12 is to 1 is also there here, right? So do it carefully. They've asked how much water is mixed with Coke concentrate. In what ratio water is mixed with Coke concentrate. So you're supposed to find water is to Coke, which is 1 is to 12. Hope all of you have understood this. As I told before, we're going to have this previous year question paper discussion of almost all topics from the previous year's question papers of both MBA and MCA on daily basis in the same time. So you can join the WhatsApp group. Mentioned link is given in the description and join the membership videos to get additional detailed classes of verbal comprehension and computer awareness. Computer awareness is freshly included in MBA syllabus this year. And for MCA syllabus, they always had computer awareness. So those who are preparing for MCA exam, you can purchase MCA membership. When you purchase MCA membership, you will get verbal comprehension videos, computer awareness videos, and some of the maths videos also. Those who are preparing for MBA, you can purchase MBA membership to get computer awareness video and verbal comprehension video. Again, I'm saying this membership videos will help you in preparing better, but it doesn't have 100% syllabus. If you want to study full-fledged 100% of the syllabus in detail from the basics, then you can download the app present in the group video description and send us a message in the app asking for discount. We will provide you an additional discount since there is less time available for the exam. We'll give you a good discount so that you can watch all the class recordings that is happening so far in our live class. And you will also be able to attend the classes going forward. Whatever classes we have on daily basis, you'll also be able to attend the classes live in Zoom. Those are not streamed in this YouTube. Okay, those are live Zoom classes where students are joined in a WhatsApp group. You can ask for doubts, you can discuss with other students, and you'll be able to unmute and ask doubts also. It's like a two-way class conducted every day evening from 6:30 to 8 p.m. Okay, all the best. Study well. We'll meet again in tomorrow's live session. See you. Bye bye.